whole number? Really? Can I divide 29 things among 12 people and each one have one? So they're going to have what? Less than one. So this number is not going to be a what? It's not going to be a whole number. It's just going to be a part of a number, which is a decimal, right? Okay, so 29 does not go into 12. It goes into 121. How many times can 29 go into 121? Y'all have done the work, not me. How many times, Justin? 4. And what is 29 times 4? 116. Y'all agree? Yes. Okay, Justin, most important, where does the 4 go? On the right side of the decimal, above the what? Beautiful. It goes right here. Because that means there's no whole numbers, right? And 4 groups of 29 was 116. I subtracted that out, and I got 5. Okay, bring that down. How many groups of 29 are in 58? 2. Because 2 groups of 29 is 58. So look, guys, they get 4200s. They don't even get what? They don't even get. They don't get 1, but they don't even get half. Because what would half be? 50 hundredths, right? Okay, let's look at C. Christopher, you're absolutely right. This one is a tricky. All right, so I'm going to set it up. And what's my first step, guys? Bring the decimal up. So this decimal's coming up. Okay, so looking at this. So I start off. First of all, is 38 less than the whole number? Yes. So am I going to have a whole number as my answer? Yes. I am going to have a whole number. So I'm going to put 38 into what? 77. Okay, how many groups of 38 are there in 77, Christopher? 2, okay? So where does that 2 go? Which 7? The first or the second? Second. Because it's not going into 7, it's going into 77. Okay, what is 2 groups of 38, Christopher? 76. That was perfect, wasn't it? Subtract it out, and I get what, guys? 1. Bring down this 1, and it is 11. Okay, I do my same process. Let me ask you something. How many groups of 38 are in 11? 0. None. Because what's one group of 38? 38. And that's more than what? 11. So I got to do the same process. How many groups of 38 are in 11? None. 0. So I put my 0 right here above the 1. Everybody do these steps. What is 0 groups of 38? 0. I subtract 11 minus 0. 11. And then I bring down. Now I'm in business. How many groups of 38 are in 114? Aaron? 3. Because 38 times 3, I believe, is 114. Am I correct? Yes. 114. So I have 2 and 3 hundredths. Okay? Aaron? The thing you were wondering about was the multiplication part? Okay. Is there a certain one you want me to do? Or any of them? This one? Okay. All right. If I'm going to check this, guys, if I'm going to multiply to check this, look this way. Everybody, I'm going to multiply my answer. This quotient times the what? The divisor. So I'm going to do 2 and 3 hundredths times 38. Okay? And what answer am I trying to get? I'm trying to get the dividend, the big number I started with, which is what? 77 and 14 hundredths. This is the number I'm trying to get. So I'm going to multiply, right? 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Same deal, housekeeping. Mark it out, put my 0, erase my 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, now, what do I have to remember when I'm multiplying decimals? I have to make sure that I have the same amount in my answer that are in my problem in my 2 factors, right? How many digits are to the right? 2. So in my answer, where would my decimal go so that I had 2 answers, 2 digits to the right? Where would it go, Kamara? Between the 7 and the 1. So does it match? It's a match. Did that help? That cleared up? Okay. All right, good. Pass your homework to the